So, you've probably heard about Pinterest affiliate marketing, right? It's one of those things that pops up everywhere when you start looking for ways to make money online. And, it usually comes with some pretty big promises.
Yeah, you've seen this, right? Earn $1,000 a week in passive income just by posting a few pins. It's everywhere. This idea that you can build this amazing hands-off income stream with minimal effort. I mean, it sounds incredible, but it also sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it?
And that really is a big question, isn't it? Is it actually that simple? Look, I'm not going to sit here and promise you $1,000 a week, but what I can do in this explainer is give you a totally honest, no fluff look at what this whole thing really takes. We're going to break it down so you can figure out if this is actually the right move for you. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to look at that $1,000 a week promise. We'll cover the basics, what even is affiliate marketing, then the nitty-gritty of how to do it on Pinterest, what actually leads to sales, and then a really important part, deciding if this whole thing is for you. And we'll wrap up with some tools to make your life easier. Sound good? Let's go.
Okay, first up, what is affiliate marketing? Let's get down to the core concept. Okay, it's actually super simple at its heart. You recommend a product that someone else made. If someone clicks your special link and buys it, you get a cut, a commission. That's it. The best part? You don't have to create a product. You don't have to ship anything. You don't deal with customer service. None of that headache.
So really, your job is to be like a helpful matchmaker. You connect the right person with the right product. And you do this by creating content that's actually useful. Things like gift guides, tutorials, or packing lists. You're not just screaming, buy this! You're solving a problem. And just a heads up, this is definitely not an overnight thing. It's a slow burn. Your income grows as you create more content and really learn what your audience loves.
All right, so we've got the what down. Now for the how. Let's talk specifically about the Pinterest platform strategy.
Okay, this right here is probably the most important thing you need to understand. Ready? Pinterest is not a social network. It's a search engine. Think Google, but with pictures. People don't come to Pinterest to see what their friends are up to. They come with a problem they want to solve or an idea they want to explore. Summer dinner recipes, small bathroom ideas, what to wear to a wedding. Your job is to create pins that are the answer to those searches. So when you actually go to post a pin, you've basically got two paths you can take. The first path, and honestly the one I'd recommend, is sending people to your own website or blog. Your pin leads to, say, a blog post you wrote. In that post, you can build trust, give real value, and then you drop your affiliate link. It's way easier to get approved for affiliate programs this way too. Now, the other way is to link your pin directly to the product. No blog post in between. But you gotta be careful here. Some programs like Amazon are okay with it, but many aren't. So you have to read the fine print. And honestly, it's tougher to make a sale this way because people don't know you from a hole in the wall. There's just no trust built up yet.
Okay, let's get to the good stuff. What actually works? What are the real keys to making sales? Because, spoiler alert, it's not just about chasing the affiliate programs with the highest commission rates. There's more to it.
It really comes down to these three big things. First up, your niche. You have to pick a topic where recommending products feels natural, not forced. Like if you're talking about vegan baking, recommending kitchen gadgets makes sense. Recommending car parts? Not so much. Second, and this is huge, intent. Your content has to be genuinely helpful. You are there to solve a problem, not just to sell something. And third, variety. You can't just make one pin for a blog post and call it a day. No way. You need to make a bunch of different pins, different images, different titles, to see what people actually click on. Test, test, test. And this example right here, it perfectly nails that whole intent thing we were just talking about. Think about it. Which one are you more likely to click on and trust? A random pin that just says cute suitcase? Or a super detailed blog post called The Ultimate Carry-On Packing List for 2 weeks in Europe? The second one is solving a huge problem. And when it recommends a cute suitcase as part of that solution, you're way more likely to buy it. That's where the magic happens. Okay, we've gone through the what's and the how, but now it's time for a little heart-to-heart. This is about making a personal decision. Is this path actually right for you? So let's ask it straight up. Is affiliate marketing on Pinterest the right move for you? And I want you to be really honest with yourself here.
The potential is real, but this is absolutely not a get-rich-quick thing. It takes a certain kind of person with a certain kind of patience to really make it work. So, have a look at this. Let's see which side you fall on. This is probably a great fit for you if you actually like creating content, if you're in it for the long haul, not just a quick buck, and if you're the kind of person who enjoys looking at the data and trying new things. But it's probably not for you if you need cash like yesterday, or if the thought of writing a blog post or designing a pin makes you want to crawl under a rock. And that's totally okay, it's just not the right fit.
Want a little homework assignment? Try this right now. Grab a piece of paper and see if you can brainstorm 20 or 30 content ideas for your niche. Think about blog posts, tutorials, lists, anything where you could naturally slip in an affiliate link. If you finish that list and you feel excited and full of ideas, well, that's a really, really good sign. Okay, last section. Let's talk about tools for success. Because let's be real, creating content all the time can lead to serious burnout. This is all about working smarter, not harder. If there's one word you need to remember for Pinterest, it's consistency. The algorithm rewards it. The more you pin, the more you show up, the more you earn. But who has time for that? That's where tools come in and are an absolute game changer. Imagine taking one blog post link and having a tool instantly spit out 10 different pin designs for you. You can tweak the colors, change the fonts, and then schedule them all to post over the next few weeks. It makes being consistent actually, well, realistic.
So there you have it. We went from that big, flashy promise to the real, honest truth of what it takes. We've talked strategy, what works, and whether it's right for you. So the only question left is the one right here. Your future audience is on Pinterest right this second looking for a solution. So what's the first helpful thing you're going to create to give them that answer?